What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jules. It's been a long time since I've done a Trias video update, so I say I am overdue. I've been extremely busy building out my Crypto Jules trading platform that I'm working on. It will be filled with all sorts of fun and exciting educational stuff. I will have free content on there, quite a bit of it, and also paid content and paid services, such as my premium Discord group. I will have coaching services and I will have online courses as well. So stay tuned for that. That stuff is all coming. For those of you who don't know, I've launched a free Discord as well. I'll have a link to that below this video. So if you guys want to hop into my free Discord and have access to me all the time, go ahead and pop in there. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. Let's hop straight into the Trias chart. All right, so I am going to kind of get into the weeds a little bit here on Elliott wave principle, wave structure, and that sort of thing, because we have retraced so deep. It opens the door to another potential scenario, being that this entire structure is actually just one large corrective structure. If that is the case, we would still have this final C wave up. And then from there, more than likely, we will end up correcting again and likely repeat some sort of corrective structure until this thing can either, become macro bullish, or if the project ends up not getting off the ground and it ends up dying. So that is one scenario. The other scenario, which is the white count, is that this thing does end up being macro impulsive in a 5-wave structure, and it is able to create a 3-wave structure, 4, and then a 5-wave impulsive structure, a complete 5-wave impulse structure. That would be the uber bullish scenario, which would take us over $500 per Trias. So to explain that structure in a little more detail, for those of you who don't know, Elliott wave principle has 2 basic structures. You have a impulsive structure, which is this green structure, which moves in 5 waves in the direction of a trend. That trend can be up, that trend can be down, it doesn't really matter. And then you have 3-wave corrective structure, which moves counter trend. So if your trend is up this way, then your ABC, your corrective structure, will go down against it. If this is flipped and you're impulsive downwards, your corrections will go upwards against the trend. So these are the 2 structures you can have. This structure here, if it is macro bullish, will end up leading into a larger degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As such, that would be your 1, your 2, and then you would have a 3, a 4, and a 5 wave, which is exactly what we have got here with the 5-wave structure. Or it is possible that this entire structure is simply just a correction. It's just some sort of large corrective structure, because this 1 wave could actually be an A wave. This is a 3-wave. I have it as a WXY. So that could be your B wave. And then you would have a C up to finish a corrective structure. So this would just be an ABC. Even if this is just an ABC, I still anticipate this thing at least coming back up to $20 or so, $20 or more. So even from here at this point, if you're just now getting into Trias, or if you ended up selling somewhere up here, this thing could still move 3,000, 2 to 3,000% in my opinion, in the worst case scenario, meaning this entire structure is just a corrective structure. So wanted to get that out of the way first, because I know you guys all really like the macro thoughts and the micro ideas. So I know if you are holding Trias and still holding it and didn't sell from $25, I'm really going to piss you off with that thought. But I apologize. I'm not here to please everybody. I'm just here to show you what I see on charts. So let's hop into the micro real quick, just so I can give you an idea of what I'm thinking is going to happen on a lower time frame. So this is my entire count for this entire structure down, being a WXY, being a larger degree ABC to finish the Y. So I've got basically an A, B, C with your green, an A, B, C up to put in your B, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we should be on the 5th now. Which I see this, like this, 1, 2, 3, and this being an A, B, C of some sort, being a 4 wave. And we are, in my opinion, still going to reverse down anywhere from $1.05, absolute worst case scenario, 75 cents. That would be, in my opinion, an extreme capitulation. If a bunch of large holders ended up getting frustrated and wanted to basically sell the bottom, that would be that scenario, in my opinion. The way Trias has been holding up in comparison to Bitcoin's nasty dump lately, I don't think 75 cents is very likely, but at this point, I do think that the lower dollar, a buck to a $1.05, something like that, is certainly possible. But ultimately, if we do break above, a $1.62, that would invalidate the immediate impulsive 5-wave structure down, and more than likely, I would say the bottom would probably be in, unless this is some sort of corrective structure that I'm just missing. But as price unfolds and as Bitcoin does what it's going to do, we will keep our eye on it. And again, guys, if you do not follow me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I've got a link to my live Discord below, my free Discord, and my paid premium Discord as well. So if you guys have interest in those, make sure you check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed the update, and we'll see you guys here shortly. See y'all later.